Welcome to the Mechanical Room. A Centrotherm production focusing on all things in and around the HVAC industry. And now, your hosts, Michael Sokaris and Matthew Pryce.
Greetings from Hot Air Studios. It is the Centrotherm Holiday Special. Today we have a lot of fun planned. A couple rounds of Centrotherm Password.
I don't know if I'm scared about that or not, but it should be fun.
Yes, it's the first time we're trying it. I have no idea what this footage is going to turn out and look like. Hopefully hilarious. Our participants today include first-timers on the show, with one exception.
That is true.
I believe Dennis was on during the summer, one of the summer months. Dennis Ellis, our production manager.
He was one of our monthly podcast guests at the time.
I do recommend you check out that episode, as it gave a lot of insight into how things, how the wheels turn, or how the beller extrudes, the beller is an injection molding machine, sorry. How the extruder extrudes and how the beller bells, exactly. Jingle bells, silver bells.
Names.
Indeed, the beller for the holidays, right? Sure, I'm going to put some sleigh bell noises in here, I think, right now for to get in the holiday season here. So yeah, we the rest of the teams are rounded out with Mike sitting in for Joel, playing with JJ, our manufacturing engineer, and Cara Rupp, our inside sales team lead, playing with Dennis. A little bit of password, kind of give the clues, guess some industry-related content, and see what the heck happens there. So
it's actually more than password. It's a mashup between the $1 Million Pyramid and password. We made our own game.
It is Centrotherm Password.
The Centrotherm Password.
Yes. A quick shout out to my buddy Alex Perrone for providing the game show announcer voice.
Thank you, Alex.
And other than that, we just got chestnuts roasted on the open fire here.
Snowing.
Yeah, it's
snow.
Maybe a little snow.
It's a Christmas, holiday season.
Absolutely. So we wanted to do something fun for this episode, and that is why we're doing a little bit of a game show here. No guest, no show us your pipe winner this month. We will of course get back to that and so much more in the next year. We have just a veritable crap load of plans and just some amazing content creation with a bunch of help in the mix here, really hoping that some of our plans are augmented with some professional footage and whatnot that I'm going to put into these podcasts and create a whole situation here that is going to be just taking this mechanical room to new heights.
To the absolute new heights.
Yeah.
Industry, cutting edge, leading activities.
Yeah, we'd like to think so. You want to get to the game?
So yeah, let's get to the game. Stay tuned. We're going to come back after the break here for what's likely to be pretty crazy pandemonium. We're making it up as we go. So stay with us.
Off we go.
Welcome to Centrotherm Password, the giggly green screen game that keeps you guessing. Each round has 10 words. One teammate gives the clues, one teammate guesses. Teammates switch roles in round 2. 1 point per correct word, winner take all.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, flue pipe enthusiasts the world over, welcome to Centrotherm Password. I'm your host, Matthew Pryce. With us today are Team 1 contestants, Cara Rupp, our inside sales team lead, and Dennis Ellis, production manager. I'm not sure. Which one is that? Production manager. Contestant number 2, please speak directly into the microphone if you could. We've explained the rules already here, and I believe, Cara, you're going to be giving the clues to start.
That is
so, Mr. Sokaris, co-host and rules man, can you get the timer ready, perhaps?
At your service.
So
sir.
we're going to give you 60 seconds. There are 10 clues. Let's try to, get up as close as we can do. I'm going to pull out my answer sheets here so that I can grade you on if you're getting them correct or not. And tell me when you have that clock ready.
10 minutes?
10 seconds. Oh, 60 seconds. 60 seconds.
I don't have the clues.
I know. Don't turn this over. 60 seconds. 60 seconds on the clock. Are you ready?
Begin.
John Akers makes shapes. Appliance adapters. Equipment. Outside.
Pass.
Pass.
Okay. Flights. Showcase.
Tradeshow.
Ding.
CNC machine.
Nice.
Stainless steel.
We'll count it. We'll count it.
Stainless steel adapter.
O-shaped. Joint.
Galvanized.
Galvanized.
Concentric. No.
Residential. Required.
UL listed.
UL listed required.
I know what it is.
UL's
You want to pass?
17. No. All right, go.
Time.
We got 2 points on team
pass.
one.
Oh.
Team
What
one.
was the last? What was that?
That was
Connector ring.
connector ring. Connector ring.
Stainless steel, Cara.
Oh my god.
That's why I said galvanized. I was sitting here.
I said galvanized after that.
All right. Since you guys are in the chair, why don't we switch over and let you guys go and do round 2, and then
He would not have gotten approval matrix. Just FYI.
I don't know. Hey, I put on a few answers here. Some of the other ones that would have come up here. Let's play Dennis and I real quick. Let me get in here.
Co-host
Hold on.
Sokaris mentioned one word.
Yeah, go into the.
Oh.
Mention
Hey.
2 words.
You know, we're
It's
trying our
one
best here.
word clues. One
You're such
word
a stickler.
clues.
John Akers makes shapes. That's not one word.
No.
Yeah. Well, we'll give
That's
it-
a complete
some
sentence.
of the other ones.
John
John
Akers?
isn't a CNC operator anymore.
Oh, that's right.
Just to let you know.
My bad.
Testing body.
That's more than
You will.
one word.
You got to give us a break here, Mike, with the 2 words.
Another one. Who's ours?
It's not UL.
No. Jesus.
I do testing.
Intertech. Yeah.
All right, swap.
All right. Let's go round 2. You're giving the clues now.
Oh, God.
What if I just give multiple one-word clues in a row that happen to form a sentence?
Right. Do we have to switch chairs?
No, it's fine. It's fine. So hold on,
God.
Let me get my round 2.
We're not as smart as we thought.
No, we're not very good.
Round 2. Okay. Here we go. Dennis, there you are, sir.
John Akers.
Okay. These some of these are.
CNC machine. Last I knew he was the operator for it.
Yeah, it's
And
so
then I said
funny.
equipment. I was like,
I was like, makes shapes.
like
Makes
the appliance
sure-
adapters, right? You cut the little shapes out.
I mean, yeah.
I don't know what it does, guys.
Mr. Adam Bond has also been CNC operator for quite some time
Yeah.
as well. Akers is supervisor now, so
Good luck with that.
kind of a tough clue there, Cara Rupp.
Yeah, I
Um,
was looking. I was like, supervisor,
sorry.
night
I
shift.
failed.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
take your positions.
Now we have Dennis giving the clues to Cara. These are not that easy, so good luck. You did round 2. Round 1 had 2 points, so let's see how we can do. You know what? Give him 90 seconds on the clock. This way we can watch him twist. So we're making this episode.
Do we get
Yeah,
90,
absolutely.
I'm allowed to pass,
You can-
right?
See,
So
on the
one-
first one, 90 on the second.
Yeah, okay, that's good. 60
1
seconds.
minute and 30 seconds.
Perfect.
Okay.
Ready?
All right.
Assume your positions. Ready, go.
All right.
FIA.
Okay. Yeah. Tito.
Material handler. Warehouse. Boxes. Packing. Shipping.
Equipment.
The forklift.
Boom.
Ding.
Okay. Short.
Siphon.
Yes! Excellent work!
Layout.
Bem palm.
3.
Parent.
Centrotech.
Okay. Belfry.
Rep. Manufacturer.
Okay. Gas.
Venton. Flue gas exhaust.
Analyzer.
Test board.
Okay. Reference.
Laminated.
Laminate.
Quick guys.
I'm gonna help you too.
Years.
That's a tough clue.
Certified.
Quality.
Oh, ISO. No. It's that 5. That 5.
Functioning.
Oh my God. You pass.
Okay. I don't know what this one is.
All right. Excellent work, though, Dennis. Very good at giving the clues. You pulled out some really good ones there. Some other ones here, Cara.
What is ASTM?
ASTM is the standard.
Oh, the standard.
Yeah.
I didn't know
I
that.
barely know that one.
So-
And then warranty was the last one we were trying to
oh,
And-
you said
and-
10 year, I would have gotten warranty.
And what if I said
say 2 words.
What if I said Blue Hawk?
That's 2 words.
I mean, that's-
one name, right?
What's the answer?
That is, they're a buying group.
Correct.
Ah.
Very good job, though. Excellent work. Excellent work.
Woo!
Excellent work.
We know our strong suits.
All right. Okay, Team 1, Team Cara and Dennis, combined 9 points. A very impressive second round there, with Dennis giving very good clues and you pulling some out of nowhere. That test board is very, that was, I mean, a good pull, I must say, a good pull. Those words were not easy. ASTM, I don't know what the heck you're supposed to say for that. So, I mean, we strive for complexity here, anyway, we're going into round 2, Team 2, starring JJ Besse, our manufacturing engineer. Is that correct? And co-host of the Mechanical Room, sales director, friend to all, Michael Sokaris, will be filling in for Joel, who we get some of the peanut gallery here has some opinions on that. Hey, that's all right. I think Joel would have I think you do better at this, honestly. So
We shall see.
JJ, you've upgraded the team. Oh no, I don't know.
I knew it
Trust
was
me.
an upgrade.
When I edit this podcast, I strive for as little edits as possible. So. I see producer Alex over there having a chuckle, so I think we're doing okay. All right, so same rules apply. We're going to do 60 seconds on the clock here. JJ is given the clues to start, and we'll switch that up in round 2 here. Looks like item number 1 is very appropriate for your current duties here. So,
You said you were good with clues.
Are names allowed? Names?
Names?
Are allowed, correct?
Yeah, names are
John
allowed.
Akers was my first clue.
Yeah. We've been a little loose on the one word stuff,
I
and
know.
also the host has been chiming in with some clues, which is kind of interesting because All right, so 60 seconds on the clock.
And your time starts now.
Mac.
Injection molder.
Machine. New.
Thermoformer.
Yeah.
Sister. Company. Germany.
Ubik.
Germany.
Brelon.
There you go.
Shipper.
Oh, wholesaler.
Oh, okay. Wholesaler.
Distributor.
There you go.
ERP.
There you go.
Inventory management. Tool.
System. Hours.
All orders.
Cover.
Chimney.
Universal.
Universal. Cover.
Pass.
Myself. Kevin. Kiernan.
Engineering. Engineering.
No, we'll count it. Engineer.
Job-
Good. It
okay.
counts.
Study.
This is a tough one, guys.
Efficiency.
Pass.
Socket.
Good. 7 though. So
Kaizen.
Kaizen
That would
is
have been really tough.
That was a tough one.
They got thermoformer. They got Brelon. They got distributor.
No, we
they
got
all,
6.
all
We only got
orders.
6. We skipped B-Vent.
You skipped
B-Vent.
event. Oh, okay. So that's 6. Sorry.
Event cover.
Good. That's why we. That's good. We got the fact checkers back here. All right. Final round. So you got 6. You need kind of a.
To clarify, their
Yeah.
first round they got 2. I would like the record to
That
show.
was terrible.
All right. All right, so Mr. Sokaris will be giving the clues here. 90 seconds on the clock here.
Let me review this.
That's not really fair. No, you're not supposed to do that. You don't really get to review. You get to kind of flip it over and then you think about it. Hey, put 90 on the clock. Hey, start the clock. Start the clock. 90 seconds.
These are like,
Your timer's going.
Let's go.
Wait, yeah, no, I didn't get a review time.
I didn't review.
Go.
Shipping.
Uh,
Wood.
Truck. Pallet.
Cara.
Inside sales rep. Sales.
Buyer. Support.
Customer service.
Customer service.
Good.
Trucking. Logistics.
I don't know any of our.
The overarching term for all that.
Distribution.
Tankless.
Water heater.
No, you
Acid.
said tankless is the word.
Tankless.
That's the word.
That's the word.
No.
Oh, a different one.
Acid.
Condensate.
Management.
Condensate.
Tanked.
You said tankless. We're going. You gotta move on.
Glue. Sanding.
Centrotherm.
PVC.
Bad.
True. Additional. Glue.
Oh, primer. Glue and primer.
Correct.
Increaser.
Decreaser.
No, what?
Reducer. Flashing.
That's good. They got more than 3. Even with some of the questionable ones, and you said the word, so that said tankless. So
Mike, you did an amazing job if I had no idea whether or not I got the right answer. Literally no idea.
Condensate.
Paving wood.
And then Cara.
I was like, was pallet the right answer?
Was pallet
What was the Cara?
palette is the correct answer.
Oh,
Palette is the
that
correct
makes more
answer.
sense.
I was going from the bottom
You
up.
went straight to
Condensate.
Cara.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Condensate is with a tankless unit. I didn't even see that tankless was one of the other options.
It was one of the later
Fair
ones.
enough. Well, I thought you were giving tankless. I was like,
When he
that's
said
not
increaser,
fair.
When he said increaser,
Okay, I'm a very literal person. What does it do? It decreases.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Oh,
All right,
they
well,
got
I mean,
1 point.
What's that? I think they won by 1 point,
I
even
call
with
that a crushing victory.
Team 2
I think it was more
took
painful for
it
them.
down.
It was.
That
Um,
was great. That was great.
All right, this is going to be quite fun to put together into an
Siphon,
episode of
good.
the Mechanical Room. Thank you for joining us on Centrotherm Password. Well, that was quite a time. Centrotherm Password, maybe the first and only time we do that. We will have to probably refine some of the rules. We had a little bit of some rule bending,
A little, just a bit.
some interference from the host, and just the general calamity and stuff. But a lot of fun. And thanks to our
Was fun.
producer today, Miss Alexandra Gazdick, our marketing associate. Wanted to put her on camera over here. So why don't you give a holiday greeting and take us out?
Yeah, it's been a great year here at Centrotherm, and we're excited for the holiday season. And stay safe, everyone.
Bye. We'll see you at the beginning of the year, everyone. Stay tuned for some fun stuff